me crazy. Yo! Oh, this dog is so naughty, you know. It's very naughty. This puppy, I must take it out now. It's run all over the place, hiding under the bed, poofing, wee-weeing, chewing the chews, tearing the things. I can't do my job with this puppy. Make everything dirty, breaking these things. How can I clean this house with this puppy? I can't. No. I can't take anymore. I can't. This puppy must disappear straight away. This puppy must go, must hamper. No. Come. I want to show you something. I spent weeks to make this machine while the madam is away. All I have to do is to put this here and press this button and put the dog in, then the dog will disappear. Nobody gets hurt. This puppy must go. No, don't fight. Goodbye, puppy. Goodbye.